In this session, I will explain about the options available in Review tab, the two proofing options. Under proofing category, we are having spelling and grammar, thesaurus, word count. So, these are the options available to proof your document. So, whether your document is correctly typed or how many words you have, and if you have any suggestions, if you need any suggestions while preparing your document, it will give. So, first for example, I am typing something. This is MS Word document. Okay, finally I am placing dot. That means that is a complete sentence. But under MS it is showing green underline. So that means there may be error. Suppose if you change something in document, suppose DOFCUMENT. So automatically that also became underline. So why? Because that is also spelling mistake. And if there is any grammar mistake, suppose this are MS Word, that is generally a grammar mistake. So finally, suppose this are a pen. Here also there is a grammar mistake, so that is showing in underline. Okay. Finally, if you want to check what the mistake is there, simply you right click on that. Right click, right mouse button, you click, automatically it will suggest you MS or my, like that you can replace. Suppose it doesn't know what is MS. Microsoft, it doesn't know, that is the short form. It is asking to place my or me or MS in capital letter. Suppose if you place in capital letter, it won't check. Suppose if you are typing anything in capital letters, it will not check. Why? Because it will identify that one as maybe a noun or name or something. So that's why if it is in capital letters, it will not check for spellings. Keep in mind. That is the first thing. If you type anything, it will not check. Suppose A, B, C, D, it will not check. And suppose if you type A, B, C, D in small, automatically it will underline with red underline. So that is, there is a mistake. So if you want to check using spelling and grammar, or use F7 also shortcut key for this one. So right side proofing area will come. There you can check one by one. Suppose document, it is giving suggestions. Here also you can right click. Suppose if you right click on that particular word, automatically it will show you the suggestions. Either you have to select documents or document. Otherwise, if you don't want, you can ignore it always. Means you are keeping the same. You are not going to change anything. You are going to place the mistake as it is. Suppose here in this, it is showing the options, suggestions like this, text record or file. If you click on this, it will also read you aloud, spell out, like this also it will suggest you. And see, if you want to ignore, you can ignore it. means it won't check for spelling. And okay, here what I am going to do, I am going to replace with this one. Next, this is, see, the previous one is spelling mistake and this one is grammar mistake. R is under blue line. So, blue underline means there is a grammar mistake. So, it is suggesting this is a pen. Is it is suggesting. Okay, select is. Okay. Once spelling check everything complete means automatically it will closes and spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay. Again if you click means it will show there is no spelling and grammar mistake. And suppose, for example, if you have a large document, then for example, equal to RAND I am typing for text and press enter, automatically it will gives you the sample text. Here I am giving some mistakes somewhere and like that. So continuously it will checks for spellings and grammars in the entire documents. Suppose it is giving provides next documents, next example. If you don't want, you can ignore it. Ignore all also available. And you can always change the language also. Suppose that is United States. If you want in English, in Indian English, you can change. Okay. So like that also you can change the language for this proofing, and here I am typing OK. And there is another option, thesaurus, which will give you the related where you want. Suppose in this area I am placing the cursor. Suppose if you want place the cursor in document area, document I selected, then select thesaurus. Automatically it will gives you the dictionary based words. See what are the nouns related it is having, synonyms. Suppose text is another alias to that, and file is another synonym, and article, essay, paper, like that it will give you so many options to you, and record. This is verb again. So like that thesaurus will give you the complete information regarding. For example, I am selecting article. Again see in under article there are nouns, editorials, like that you can keep on see the values of different areas. And finally, if you want to replace anything, you can replace. And if you want to word count give you the total count, number of pages you have, number of words you have, number of characters you have in your document. Okay, and here also word count is available. Using this also, double click and you can show word count here from here also. Double click on there, automatically it will show you. Okay, like that you proof your document and finalize your document, then you can go for the next options. Okay,